But anyway, so we're gonna go on around 9 o'clock, guys. YouTube. Interesting movement this morning. Boy, my levels from Friday are all coming in right now. You see that? Isn't that crazy? Yeah. Bounce through here a little bit. Retested that downtrend again today. AMD is going to break that downtrend. Watch. Where is that? Right here. Pre-market highs, that downtrend test. That 104.37 call. Even yesterday's low. It's little. Right there. Double bottom. See it? Friday. Told him I didn't trust Boeing. What's Wish doing? Oh. Still hanging. Needs to run back up to the 50. You know? We might have to watch for the bounce on the 9 right by yesterday's low. That's what it's looking like on SPY. Q's is way below the 9. Came right into that level. Look at that fucking bounce. Straight point. Boom. That was a nice play we missed. In 3 days in a row, they've been doing all my good moves pre-market. Really agitates me. What's NVIDIA doing? Oh, look at NVIDIA. Just waiting for everybody to get on, guys. Darn over. Yeah, everybody partied this weekend, yeah. People are late getting into the room, I agree. Tanda and I played poker Friday and Saturday. We were going to go to the Hard Rock in Tampa yesterday, but didn't end up going. Supposed to have my boat interior, my boat done last week. They still not done. Cleaned out my truck yesterday. That was fun. Wow. It's a big move pre-market, man. Makes it dangerous to take a play. What? Oh, there's no little dog. That's the bulldog puppy playing with Precious. He's got a little higher pitch right now because he's young. He's only 5.5 months old. They're in their room playing. They always start playing about time. Kelly was telling me, she's like, they fucking want to have a bulldog war right at the base of my feet while I'm getting ready to trade. I'm like, I'll keep them in there. But, well, Amazon's down right now, bouncing at that level. There's a lot of Friday's lows broken, so we're going to have to move to the next levels. I'm noticing that so far. Yeah. Yeah. Market as a whole, Nvidia's deep. Apple is. Apple's right in the middle of the box. Did you get that reply I gave to you in the chat room for that level? That's what it was. If you look right here, that's what it was. See? Yeah. All right. Well, let's whip this pony and get into it and see how big a risk. Remember, it's Monday, so we're gonna size down today. We've got a lot of big range pre-market. A couple of points is big range on SPY, even though it's been pretty volatile for the last year, but still big range. All right. Let's start with SPY. Hope you all ready. Here we go. SPY. SPY's above the 9. Didn't quite make the long level I wanted on Friday. Short, what did I trade Friday? I forget. Was I long? I think I was. Or I shorted this one. Well, anyway, so I'll be watching the long down here at Friday's lows. We can watch this 441.21. And then, let me get rid of this. Oh, we can keep that actually. Get rid of this. Get rid of that. Get rid of this. Now, we can watch the pre-market low as well for the bounce at 442.15. That's about a point down to Friday's lows. I think I'd be more comfortable at Friday's lows, even though we're sitting on the 9 right here. We can risk it there, and then the next place down will be 440.03. Just depends how it comes into it, right? This is our risk right there. That candle right there is our risk on the 442.15. If we decided to take it there, right? So those are going to be our 3 levels. We'll be looking for the long, for the pull back up. And then, see, this breaks out of this level. We're going to want to watch. We gapped up over this little range right here and then sold straight off. So I expect it to turn around and come back up here. That's what I expect to happen. But we're going to watch our profits coming into this 444.85. So if you're in it and you're nice and green in your trade, I would be taking a lot off because it's probably going to bounce back there and then run back up. And we can watch that area up there for a short. The 446.50. All right. So somewhere in this range we want to get long. And if it's coming down hard and fast right in the first minute or two, just let it come. The deeper the better, right? Qs. Same kind of scenario on Qs, except for Qs broke the lows, broke out of the range pre-market with a candle, come down here and broke the lows, so we can watch the retest of this low down here at 369.58. Start in there, down to this the bottom of the candle, of course, would be the double bottom, right? If it breaks that, the next stop's going to be 367.77, most likely. We can't ride it that far, so we're going to give it about 50 cents a risk from here. So right in that neighborhood, that's going to be our box, and if it breaks out of that box, just let it go. And we'll try to reset on it. It might take more than one stab at it on a Monday, so we don't want to get buried in the trade, right? There's the close. We're going to want to watch profits coming into the close at 373.31. Get rid of some of this stuff up here we don't need. So we're going to watch that movement right here for the retest. We need a little distance, guys. We need this to hang. We need it to hang up here. Okay? Can't have that thing dropping all the way into this lower level. We need it up here. We need a little distance. Because of this, where it's sitting and where it broke, we can't just jump on this in the beginning because we can just get smoked. Okay? Apple. Apple's broke the little short-term uptrend it was on. Very conflicting information right now. Friday's high. These were a short level. So we can watch this area for a short, this 146.98, depending on the speed and distance that it comes into that level. I don't really trust this, taking this right here. This is yesterday or Friday's low, and it's already broke it pre-market. So that being said, I'd want to back off to Thursday's lows, which is down here around 144.84. So I'd be much more comfortable down here at 144.84 than I would be at this first low. Which one? This one? Just a market maker candle. There's signs of that. We talk about that in the room. Hold on. All right. So Apple 145.38 is the pre-market low. We can watch that 144.84, or we can let it come all the way down to 144. Just depends, guys. You know, the whole market could come down. I mean, I'm looking for the bounces. I think it's going to go back up, but you know, you never know. So we'll just watch the levels, right? Look across the board, see what's happening. Nothing on AMC. The short on AMD up here at the trend test, that 106 area. We can watch that short there. And then for the long, 104.67, which would be Friday's lows. And that's coming into the 50 as well, so we can watch that area, but we need a little more distance than 10 cents to take that trade, okay? But we'll watch this movement here, okay? Amazon is tanking right now. Monster candle up to 34.77. Look at Amazon tank. Well, Amazon broke that level, so I'm gonna have to be looking. I'm gonna have to go back and look at this for a second. That's gonna make all these break those lower levels, or should. Where are we going, Amazon? This is Wednesday's open. A lot of action pre-market here. We're gonna have to let Amazon shake out a little bit. Come back. Yeah, we'll come back to it. Boeing's still coming up. Baba, I don't trust Baba, not for one little second. Ha! Look at Carnival. Well, we had that trade right, gentlemen. We had that trade the whole time, all last week. Beautiful trade, and we didn't get this move. Coinbase came down to that 231.05. Bounced, actually broke through. Man, you can't have a two-point risk. I guess we can give it a 2-point risk, but man, that's pretty big on those contracts. They're pretty volatile. Watch this low. I really don't want Coinbase in town here till down here at the trend test. Disney, nothing. I'm really not excited about anything I see across the market right now, guys. Like, we were breaking Friday's highs, and then a lot of stuff starting to break Friday's lows already, right? We can watch Facebook coming back. I mean, where do you take this? You gonna jump on in the middle at this consolidation here? You could try to jump in somewhere in there for a long, if you're mad at your money. I mean, we really couldn't. There's a little phantom tick down here. Could watch that area. But I'm really not crazy about that either. Oh, that's the close of Thursday. All right, I'm all right with that one then. We can watch that 345.99 for the bounce on Facebook. So right in this level, we can look for a bounce, okay? If it breaks through there, just close it because it's coming here, okay? Oh my gosh, GBS dumped all the way down to $2. Google 2805.71. We'd have to wait for it to come into that level. And the short would be, I'd watch that short at pre-market highs, 28.47. $50 range on Google. Morning, Tandon. Home Depot, nothing. Intel came into that 53.51 level. This is where I expected it to bounce on Friday. Never made it there. We can watch a retest of this low, but once again, if it breaks through there, it's coming to fit down here, okay? Moderna's back here at that 427.09. Gotta leave that alone. Microsoft, very dangerous this morning, guys. Just, we need to sit back, let some of these levels come into play so we know what's happening. Because right now we are all over the board. It is all over the place. It don't look like it, but it is all over. Yeah, micro hard. Red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, right? Can watch that 296.12. If it breaks that low, just close it. You can watch it for a long there, but I'd really be more comfortable down here in this 294.30s area. Me too, buddy. MU. Can watch MU down here at 72.76 for the long. Whoops. 72.76 for long, which would coincide with Wednesday's lows, real close to Wednesday's lows. Back here. Okay. So we'll let yep, let MU come into 72.76. And where the hell is my pen? Jesus Christ. Give me one sec. Kelly brought me my pen. Thanks, Kelly. All right. 72.76 on MU. I kind of like MU right now, so we'll keep that. That's going to be kind of one of my... That's one of the easier plays at the moment I see. Lower risk, anyway. Perception-wise for me, is lower risk. Okay? That was Friday's call level. I'm looking around Wednesdays because of this market maker candle down here. And it's low into this level. I don't really want, I want more distance than 20 cents. So I expect it to jam. I think we're going to get a sell off. So we're just kind of have to hang on. That's what it's looking like. You know, a lot can change in the next 15 minutes. So Netflix, that 582.78 area is still going to apply. Netflix is trying to stay above the 9. Sucks up, suck up. Watch that area. I don't know if I'd watch. We could watch this short, but I'm not. On a Monday, the contracts are going to be pretty volatile. I really like the long better than I do the short for the moment. NVIDIA, 217.22. Did we break this low? We did. All right. Damn it. So we just put in a new low. So that's going to back us up to here. Let's drop this a point. We're going to stick it right here at this pivot. See this pivot right here? We're going to watch this 216.18 for a long. And if it, I wouldn't give it much. 10 or 15 cents, 20 cents. And if it keeps going, it's going to come all the way back down here, 211. 212. Possibly here, 214. Such big range, man. NVIDIA is going to be dangerous today, okay? But that's kind of the areas I'd be looking for, NVIDIA. PayPal, nothing. All right, Qs. What are we doing here? Qs is put in a little higher low, but I see a lot of lower lows across the board, so let's see. 369.58. That's that range. Close of Tuesday's candle? Wednesday's candle. It's around the close. If it gets under there, it's going to come down here to these lower levels, guys. Lower levels. I gotta look at something. Hold on. Oh, damn it. It's too far. This would have been on the 20th. All right. That's what I wanted to see. All right. So anyway, we can watch this area for the bounce, guys. If it comes up from here, some kind of higher low, mature higher low, we can start watching for a long. I think today is going to be pretty dangerous, so be cautious, size down, don't just jump in. There's not really a clear plan today. Like we don't have a clear, we got good levels here, we have good levels there. We really don't have good levels today, and sometimes that happens. So maturity as a trader, you're going to just sit back, relax. If you don't get a trade today, you don't get a trade. Don't push. So we're sitting lower levels, putting in little higher lows, but people are going to execute coming into this level, and it looks like they're going to break through. Tesla. Tesla was a good call Friday. Tag that level. Said it's going to 804 a while back. It's running right at it. Back here I said it's going to 804. Twitter's running up. Hate Twitter. UPS. Trash. All right, guys. There's really not a clear consensus, so we're just going to have to sit back and watch it for the next 10 minutes. Amazon's putting in lower lows. Apple is trying to hold that low. Yeah, go ahead. What do you want me to look at? What is it? XOM. There. Right here. Watch for long. Right at the close. There's a phantom tick and some downward momentum, but I wouldn't be too scared of this level, I don't think. Yep. And if it breaks it, let me look at this for a second. Hold on. I gotta figure out what kind of risk I would think I would want to use. What are we getting, about a point? I think you can give it about, it looks right around 50 cents risk. I don't think I would give it more than that. So that's probably going to put you right in this range. Yep, right where that tick is. See it? Tandon? See this tick? You might even want to wait for it to come into there. So these two levels right here. Well, it's jamming up. They're going to take some profit on this 3-point run. Somebody's going to take profit. I mean, that's a big run for Exxon. Look at the charts, buddy. That's a big run. I mean, and this candle is a market maker candle. Now, is it going to go up there? Yep, probably is. It's probably going to come right here. 61.41. But you got to get a dip to take it. You can't chase it like that. Let it dip back into this area and get long. That's what I would do. Okay. Yeah, Carnival ran nice off that levels we were watching all week. All right. Yeah, it's looking pretty rough. Well, there's just not very many clear plays right now. There's some areas I'm just going to sit back, and if I get a trade, I get one. If I don't, I don't. It is what it is. I am not pushing on a Monday. We got about 7 minutes till the market open. All right. I need to open my damn trade deck. Brokerage, trade deck, whatever you want to call it. Crypto Guru goes on trial. Who was that on? Wow. Nasty. Amazon's still coming down, crashing. Microsoft just big red candle. Got about 5 minutes here. We'll see what happens. We'll let this shake out a little bit. I got my charts backed way up on the rest, so I'm not getting all honed in, right? So I have the daily over here. I can see what's happening. I'm still going to watch this area right here, but it's not looking beautiful today. Today's a good day to just sit back and learn and watch. A lot of indecisiveness in the market right now. Just watching my charts, guys. I'm trying to get a feel here. Watch it pre-market, what's going on. Look at what I'm going to expect at the open. Amazon is pretty damn deep. Amazon's $50 off the pre-market high. That is pretty damn deep. SPY could easily bounce into this 444.95 and then just absolutely tank. I don't think I'm going to rush into anything today. I'm just going to kind of sit back and watch. I'll probably change my mind a minute and a half into the day, though, but that's the way I feel right now. Sometimes. But today is bad. Today just is not, it's not a clean open this morning. It's just not. Apple just broke pre-market low. That's what I'm watching. Microsoft broke pre-market lows. So all the secondary levels on these trades are going to apply. Would I take SPY right now at 442.15? Absolutely not. I would need it to come to 441.21. Nvidia broke lows, is headed down to that 216.18. We can watch that pivot on, but man, we're going to have no distance. It's going to run it right before the open. I'm watching Nvidia, MU. I'm not watching Microsoft. Turn that off. I'm going to watch that MU at like 72.76. Got about 45 seconds, y'all. Amazon's still falling. Apple, big candle down at 144.84 is what we're watching for. That was that next level. Facebook down here at 346.30s. Here we go, guys. Big green candle out of Nvidia and MU. Apple. Apple's into VWAP. Look at that run. Damn you, MU. Didn't give me a chance to get in. Shit. Big rejection off VWAP on Nvidia. And maybe I want to take SPY short. Remember how I said I didn't want to take a trade? Let's take a look at this. What's my contract prices here? $443 puts, 111, 444s. No, I'm just going to chill. May bounce off these pre-markets. We'll see. MU's straight up. Nvidia straight down. Nvidia's coming into the level. All right, Nvidia. Contracts are expensive. 215 calls.
Watching NVIDIA into this 216.18. I executed. Nice suck up. I filled at 445 on the 215 calls. We'll see how that works out for me. God damn it, of course Apple broke lows. MU straight up, almost 75. Facebook's chopping around. Green and NVIDIA even. Just tagged the level. MU just ran straight up. 74.75 on MU may be a play for a short. You're a baba? Are you joking me? What'd you take it, long or short? Gotcha. Look at Apple just tanking. Q's broke lows. Amazon's still going. Amazon's coming down right to where I thought it was going to go to. Short off pre-market highs on MU worked pretty well. About a 70-cent rejection. Yeah, I bought some more NVIDIA down here on this bottom. Yeah, we'll see. I bought some in the deep and sold it on this pull-up, so I'm almost square in the trade. So I can write it down to this 214.21 now if I want to. SPY's trying to hold that low. I don't think it's going to. Could. Facebook's selling straight off. Q's jamming down. Should have just shorted the damn thing. I knew it was going to go down. No, got a higher low on Amazon. All right, NVIDIA. No, Q's keep broken. SPY broke lows. There they go. Big ad. All right, this is my last stab at NVIDIA right here. Amazon's trying to curl, but it's $50, $60 off. More than that. $75. There we go. Come on up. Should have just waited for that 214.21. That was a nice bounce. Are you on a computer? Oh, that's Chris, isn't it? Thought that was Tandon. Yeah, sure did. It's sitting on it. Q's has this much room to run. Still yeah, it just kept going. SPY just broke pre-market low. SPY should come down to like 441.21 at least. MU, that short. I almost took that short on MU up there at the pre-market high. I almost took it. I was talked about it and I didn't take it and I should have. Oh well. I'm long NVIDIA down here at 214.21 because I'm stubborn. Amazon's trying to hold. That's the only reason I started buying NVIDIA. SPY bounced off that 42.15. Q's still coming. Q's, where are you coming to? That was at secondary level on Q's, 366.77. I said if it broke here, this is where we'd attack Q's. I have to grab some Q down here. Hold on, I got a couple of trades open, bro. Hold on. Baba, the market maker candle was all the way down to 134.27. You're getting a run up. No, take your profit if you got it, buddy. Here comes SPY. Make a little back on Q's there. Boy, NVIDIA's trying to put a nail in my forehead. God damn, these fucking charts are pissing me off. My left screen keeps freezing. How deep we going here? How deep are we going? I executed on 367 call on Q's just now. Doesn't mean it's going to work, guys. I'm just taking the levels. Come on, give me a big bounce. I peel profit quick. I heard somebody take profit. Nice bounce on SPY. Come on, Q's. Come on. Come on. There we go. NVIDIA, you can come up anytime. Getting a nice little bounce here on Q's off the 366.77 level. I'm up about 30 something dollars a contract on Q's. Getting back some of my NVIDIA red. NVIDIA's coming back up now. I was adding NVIDIA all the way down. About to buy some more. Be careful with NVIDIA, Chris. Big green candle on SPY. All right, I bought some more NVIDIA. That SPY candle sucked me in. I'm in Qs and NVIDIA both. Spread's opening up on fucking Qs. Come on, baby. Come on, we want to go. Qs was the safer play, Chris. NVIDIA is very dangerous. Just because it's deep doesn't mean it can't keep going. Okay? Jeremy? You can do it. You just monitor the trade. I'm just telling you, the trade you probably should have took was Qs. Or SPY. But SPY should have actually come down further than it did. But just take profit when you get those pops. All right, SPY ran straight into VWAP and failed. Amazon just broke its low. I'm going to set my Qs to close me out, zero me out here. I'm not going to go red in that, I can tell you that. Come on, NVIDIA. There we go. There we go. Suck back up. There we go. Let's squeeze. There we go. There we go. Come on, NVIDIA. Let's go. All the way back to the top, baby. Well, NVIDIA is pretty risky for you to take. I'm not too upset that you got out early. You got profit, I hope. So Bob has been erratic. That's why I haven't traded it. Yeah. SPY's jamming off that 442. Looks like Q's, this 367.77 level's working. I gotta grab a little more profit right here, 231. That's almost 50 a contract. Oh, thank you, Jesus, for Q's. Q's saved my morning. Come on, NVIDIA. There we go. Here we go, baby. Peel a little more Q's off. Come on, fill me in the 40s. 44, baby. Almost 60 a contract right there. I needed that. NVIDIA's trying to put a nail in my forehead. Such weird movement. Is this the bottom? If SPY breaks this high, I'm probably going to start buying more Qs on every pullback. I got plenty of NVIDIA. I don't need to buy any more NVIDIA. Apple looks like it's going to lift. Qs is still, or Google's still selling off. Interesting. That's why I take profit. I can rebuy if it comes back down here. So SPY just broke early highs. Oh, no, it didn't. My chart was messed up. Looks like we're coming up. There we go, NVIDIA. Come on up. I got a nice ad down there. Let me split some of this off. I have 30 contracts of Qs left. There we go, baby. There we go. There we go. There we go. Boom. 100 contract on Qs. There it is right there. Boom. Come on, NVIDIA. We're going to have a big day now. Big day. Big day. I just need NVIDIA to follow through. Come on. Take some more off. I took profit coming into that 369.16 area on Qs. I have 15 left. Took some NVIDIA off on this push. Come on, NVIDIA. I need SPY to break out of this early high. I need these to break to give NVIDIA the push. Man, I needed that run on Qs, boy. Yeah. I made a bunch on Qs. I'm not worried about the NVIDIA trade now. I went small on NVIDIA, so I didn't have a lot. The contracts were $400 and $500. I'm back green nicely. That was almost a suck-up candle on SPY right there. I bought back some Qs there. Come on, baby. Already up 15 a contract. Yeah. We'll sell those, some of them. I'm only coming into my stop down here, guys. I won't be getting nuts. This can go either way. Yeah, I'm long. I got filled at $2.15 on that push red right here. And then I sold some right here. I'm quick to sell it when it gives it to me that quick. I just take some. And then if it rides up, then I'll take some more. But if it comes down, I'll just let those zero out. You know what I mean? And I'm not losing anything. I'm just trying to catch the move if it bounces. Contracts moving quickly, so be very careful. I went from 215 to 198 in a blink. I spot some more. Come on. I got such a bad fill. God, Patrick's stupid. She keeps going up, it'll be all right. Come on, NVIDIA. Let's go, baby. I don't like it. I just noticed Amazon broke its damn low. I mean, really? Sell those. Come on. Be careful here. Watch your profits. Google's still putting in lower lows. Google hasn't found a base yet. Broke Friday's low. Nvidia's trying to come. Could go either way from here. Can absolutely shit the bed, so be careful. Have stops. It's going to try to trap people either way, whichever way it goes. Amazon's diving. Google's still diving. MU's holding up pretty strong, I got to admit. Only holding a little bit of NVIDIA. A little bit of Qs. Probably should take a little ad right there. Buying the 367 calls on Qs is what I've been buying, so everybody knows where I am. Amazon's making lower lows. Makes me want to close all these trades. I'm not crazy about this right here. I'm going to get stopped out here on the Qs. Almost. On my remaining contracts anyway. Come on. One more ad right there. I just bought some more at $1.76. It's either going to hold here and bounce or it's going to break and close me. So I might risk a couple of dollars. There's a nice suck up. There's a nice suck up. Took some profit. $1.88, it filled me. That was fucking beautiful. I'll take that quick $12. I don't think it's going to hold, though. It's trying, but I don't think it's going to. Well, there goes SPY. Here we go. Come on, Qs. I'm trying to stay strong with NVIDIA, but I'm not sure I'm going to be able to hold on to it if it breaks that low. I don't think I'm going to keep chasing it. I made back some on that push-up. I'm going to end up a little red in NVIDIA, but I'm big green in Q so far, so. There's a battle going on right now. You can see it in the candles. Well, I know, I'm getting paid on Qs too. There we go. Yeah. I told you not to trade Bob, and you did it anyway. NVIDIA's coming, baby. Come on, NVIDIA. Hold on, I got to take some Q profit. That's $50 a contract right quick. Thanks. Thanks! You got to take some profit, buddy, on those pops. Because you never know. It can go up and then just absolutely shit the bed. Google just had a big green candle. Big candle on Google. Here we go. Still pushing. You got to take profit, Tandon. God. I have a lot more contracts than you do. I'm taking more profit right now. If NVIDIA can just get over this range, she's going to come. Come on, NVIDIA. You get green and Baba. I would sell that shit. I'd stop pissing with that one. Nice higher low on Qs. SPY's trying to break out. SPY, I'm telling you, if SPY breaks this, NVIDIA is going to come up like a missile. Or it should. NVIDIA should come up like a missile. But we've got a stiff rejection of this 443.29. There's a lot of shorts on SPY. That's interesting. Maybe we're going to get it. We might get a squeeze. We might get a squeeze. Yes, I'm on today's expiries on SPY and Qs. Friday's on NVIDIA. Come on. Apple broke over that little range. That's good. Come on. Come on, NVIDIA. Run right back up to 216.18. I'm almost green in NVIDIA. Almost. Where are you at, Tin? In the hotel? Did you go to Hard Rock last night? Oh, okay. Gotcha. I was so close to green, I almost closed NVIDIA, and then I left it open. Now I'm agitated. I took profit on that push up there. Have a little left. Here we come down again. Yeah, we're coming down again. Listen, the more times this keeps coming down, the less interested I am in keeping stuff. You can get back in Qs when it's pushing red, but you can only take it down to the low, and you've got to have discipline to close it if it breaks it. Just close it. Don't, because you can get trapped in it. You have to be really careful right now. Contracts are moving quick. A little suck-up candle on SPY. I'm trying to figure out what it's going to do. Google's found a base finally. NVIDIA's about to stop me out. I'm not going any more red in NVIDIA. I got back some. I almost got green right there, and then it just took it all away. I should buy some more right here. I'm not gonna, though. I'm about to stop out of NVIDIA. If it breaks this low, I'm just gonna close it. Come on, damn it. Suck up candle. There we go. I don't think it's going to hold, guys. Be careful. I'm nice green on Qs. Qs was very low stress. NVIDIA, on the other hand, is a little higher stress. It's trying to hold it. It's trying. I just don't think it's going to. All right, Google just ran up and tagged the 50. Big candle out of SPY. It's going. If it fails there, if it fails right here, you're screwed, bro. Watch your contract premium. Watch your premium. It's 10 o'clock. If she runs, she'll come up here. 150s. 149, 150s, yeah. But it's got to get out of that range. It's got to get out of here. It's got to break that 145.88. It's trying. Nvidia's trying to hold. I've got open Nvidia, open Qs. I'm big profit on Qs. I'm just holding some, see if it's going to keep coming back up, or I'll zero out. I bought some more on this dip right here. Yep, just broke it. There she goes. That's a good sign for you. Well, it's chopping. It's not bouncing. I would be taking profit if you're green. Be careful. I always bitch. Take profit. You don't go broke. Go taking profit. Doesn't matter if it's short profit, big profit. Doesn't matter. Profit's profit. Because when you get in that red trade, that's when it matters. It doesn't matter now when you're green. It matters when you're red. Now I would stay, if SPY comes up and breaks out right here, you're going to be good. Should be. She broke that level, so she should come up a little more. Where's the pre-market high? Watch your profit. It's at pre-market high right now. Just broke it. Just broke the pre-market high and slammed down. It may come back up, buddy. Hold on. I told you should have been watching your profit on that pre-market high. People put shorts there, bro. They short that high, so you got to be taking profit coming in there. If you'd have executed as it pushed through that 146.10, you'd have made another 6% on your contract probably. We're trying to creep up. Like Nvidia's trying to hold the low, Qs is holding the low, SPY is trying to stay above VWAP. Facebook's now put in a mature higher low. Google has a mature higher low. I mean, we're starting to look like we're coming up. Let me go zipping around here. Let's go look. AMD's coming up nice. What's that short off AMD? Oh my God, the short on AMD was the short on AMD. Oh. Baba. MU's about to break out. It's trying to break. Yeah. Well, I'm long, so that makes me excited. I'm not buying any more contracts. Watch that profit. Now, if it breaks this, you should be okay. There you go. Now she's getting some volume from SPY. Oh, here we go, Qs. Here we go, Qs. Hold on. Nvidia, I'm a dog. Come on, Qs. Shit, I gotta take some. Holy crap! I just executed it, filled me in the 240s. I was like, I gotta take some profit on these Q contracts. And I hit the button, it went pow! It just filled me in the 240s. That's $50 a contract more I just made. Whoa, baby! Oh, back up 100 a contract. Just took some more profit on Qs. SPY just broke opening highs. SPY should continue up. Should. Doesn't mean it's going to, but it should. Are you still in NVIDIA, Chris, or are you out? Okay. Did you get Qs? You should have took profit on that Baba squeeze, but SPY broke out. MU's at a double top. MU's double top. MU broke out. Broke the open. MU is over the open now. Just pulled back a little bit. Q's paid me huge. Now if I can get NVIDIA. Oh, NVIDIA. Look at you. Come on. Come on now, girl. Let's go, NVIDIA. I mean, if NVIDIA could come up in a big run, I might make 10 grand a day. Q's is paying the shit out of me right now. I just took some more profit on my Q contracts. I'm up almost 100 a contract. I got to start peeling profit. I'll be messing around thinking I'm going to ride it all the way up to the tippy top. Could go all the way up here to 373.31. I'm going to put a stop on my Baba contracts at $2.30. I'm not going to give back that money. Or I mean, my Q contracts, excuse me. You said Baba and I said Baba. On my Q contracts, on my 367 calls. Yep. Sell the fucking thing. Stop talking about it. You like staying at... Oh, no, it sucked back. I just lost all my profit. Jackass, take your fucking profit. You got 144 calls. It's running. Definitely can. It needs help from SPY. Huh? In case it sucks back? It's supposed to trade with SPY and Qs, but it hasn't been following it very well for the last 6 months. Yeah. SPY's pulling back. Whew. I almost got stopped out on Qs. Yeah, Google jammed up. Yep. Big suck up candle on SPY. MU's breaking out. No, I'm not watching. I'm not watching Exxon, buddy. What did I say on Exxon? What did I tell you? Don't take it unless it comes down the fuck down here. There's not even a trade. SPY's coming back up. Q's is gonna stop me out here if it's not careful. I'm profit. Come on, Q's, get off of VWAP and get your ass up there. I got 25 contracts. I'd like them to run. Come on. I want to. MU is breaking out. MU is breaking out. Oh, here comes Nvidia, girl. Come on, Nvidia. I just need a little run up to like 218. Patrick's going to be a happy guy. Come on, Nvidia. Come on, Nvidia, don't stop me out. Son of a bitch. I'm going to let it stop me out because I'm not riding it back to the bottom. Nvidia. Yeah, it's holding right here. So, but I put a stop on my Nvidia or on my Qs. And Nvidia, I'm still riding. So I need to look at my degradation. There goes SPY. It ain't gonna matter. There we go, baby. There we go. Qs is paying me. MU's almost to the short level. That was a nice trade. Yeah, because Baba's trash. That's why I trade Q and SPYs all the time. It's low risk, big profit. That's why I wait for the levels, take the effing trade. I should have took SPY too, but I thought it would dip a little further than it did. I expected it to come to 441.21, but I took this at the secondary level. There's a slap back. Shit. I wish Nvidia would get its shit together. What? Buddy, if you're green, I would close that Baba contract, but do what you want. Why risk it? Why risk the tank to the bottom? I mean, it's steadily going up, but if you're green, sell it while it's pushing green. It's right to it right now. It just broke it. It's pushing. You're like, I'm gonna stay in. Dude, you don't do what you should. You should be taking profit. If you can't afford to buy more than one or two contracts, then you sell the one you got and just take the profit. You don't try to ride the son of a bitch all day. Sometimes you get lucky. Here comes Nvidia. Qs, baby. Qs, baby. I just sold off 5 contracts. I'm up 100 a contract on those. It's a good day, guys. Good day. You're unrealistic with trying to catch that kind of move. There's too many external forces. You're unrealistic.
Yeah, we'll see. Yes, buddy, I know. You bought 144 calls. Where did you buy them at? You have a big risk on that contract, bro. But do what you want. I I always say you wait till it turns red. You give away 15%. If you sell it while it's pushing green, you make more money because it fills you at the top versus the bottom. All right, YouTube. Have a nice green day going today. I'm going to go ahead and shut the YouTube down. I'm going to monitor my trades. I still have queues open and NVIDIA. Good job. And you made money. That's what you want to do. You get filled. Exactly. I mean, just take the profit. Now, if it squeezes 4 points, you're going to yell at me and tell me I'm an asshole, but that's all right. You banked the money. All right, YouTube. We'll see you later.